Hey guys, this is Kellen from electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks for swinging by our YouTube channel today. In this video, we want to showcase the Triaxe Sport. It's made by Enhance Mobility. It's a really unique folding mobility scooter in that it's super fast. It actually gets up to 12 miles per hour. It can support 350 pounds of weight, and there's an option to purchase an airline approved battery, which is very cool. If you'd like a free catalog, we have catalogs that we can ship to your home of our top sellers. If you're interested in one, go to our website, electricwheelchairsusa.com. At the top, you'll see where it says free catalog. Just click on that, fill out your information. It takes about 10 days to get to you. You can also call us as well to provide that. So let's get into it. So I like the basket on this thing. It's got this nice handle. It's easy to take off. You can see right here, it's either, I had it in the unlocked position, but now it's locked in, it won't come off. So you can unlock it and then remove it. It's real easy. As far as the controls, it's pretty simplistic. This is your battery gauge. This is a key. And on the other side, actually, let's go back to this side. This is your throttle. It's a twist grip throttle. So you twist it from this little piece right here. It's not the whole grip, it's just this part. On this side, we've got a front headlight. We've got 3 speed settings. So if you want to get up to that 12 mile per hour top speed, you want to set it to that 3rd setting. Got a horn and a forward and reverse switch. So let's show you what it's like to drive this thing. One thing to note about the scooter is it does not have electromagnetic brakes. So right now, with electromagnetic brakes, if I let off the throttle, the brakes would automatically engage. This does not have that. So it has a handbrake similar to a bicycle. So that's something important to keep in mind if you're not able to operate a scooter with a handbrake. Make sure you're aware of that. It also has this front suspension. You can see there on the wheel, the front wheel. So it's a front suspension, helps with absorbing bumps. And I'm going to turn it up to the 3rd setting so you can see how fast this thing goes. It's really fun, but again, you know, you got to be careful going around a turn. You got a sharp turn like this, I would not be going 12 miles an hour. I would make sure you slow down and just be aware of that.
Quick announcement, we're giving away a free scooter. Here's how to enter. First, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. Next, comment below with your thoughts on this video and you'll be entered automatically. Stay tuned and good luck. Now let's continue with the video.
A couple other things I'll point out to you here. So there's a parking brake as well. If I squeeze the handbrake, I can press this in. It's a parking brake, so it's not going to move. So the scooter, because it's 3 wheels, it has anti-tip wheels that are on both sides here, which is nice. It's a safety feature. You're not going to tip over in the scooter. On the back, there's reflectors, so these are not rear lights. I did think they were lights, but they're rear reflectors. The headlight I was mentioning, it's right here. I'm going to turn it on. It's actually pretty bright. You can kind of see it there in my hand. There it is. So it's pretty bright. The seat, really thick. It's got a lot of padding. This is the standard seat. This is actually 13 inches wide. If you wanted a wider seat, you can upgrade to an 18-inch wide seat. Something to keep in mind too, there's no armrest. So if that's important to you, there's not an option for armrest on this scooter. On the back, this is really cool. So it's a traveling scooter, you know, it's airline approved. So if you're like an avid traveler, you want to zip around the airport, it's great for that. This is actually a luggage rack, which is pretty cool. So you can put your luggage on here, like if you had a small piece or if you need to extend it to the 2nd setting. It's pretty big. I would say it's about maybe 1.5 feet. But this is, you can just put your luggage on the back and ride to the airport. Really cool, thought out design. Here's your battery. So there's 2 batteries. There's the airline approved battery, which actually goes up to 18 miles in a single charge, which is really good for an airline approved battery. Most of them only go about 10 miles at most. If you wanted just a scooter with a long range, you can get one with a 35 mile battery range, but it's not airline approved, so something to keep in mind. But if you have the airline approved battery, what you would do is you would want to fold it up. So I'm going to unplug the battery in the back and remove it. So this is what you would have to take on with you. And then you would fold it up and you would give it to the airport. So as far as folding it, on the back, there is this little lever right here. So I want to squeeze that, pull the seat back down, squeeze it, and get it all the way down to the floor. I'd also remove the basket, and then on the front, you want to fold this tiller down. So you would fold it down, you want to press this little knob up, and then it will unlatch here, and you just fold the tiller down, and now it lays flat in this position. If you are concerned, a lot of times with airlines, they're kind of rough with these things. You can purchase a travel bag for this and put it in there, so it'll just ensure it's not going to get damaged. So once you have it in this position, you can wheel it behind you like a piece of luggage, which is really cool. Actually, in order to wheel it, what you would want to do is extend the luggage rack back out. I'm actually going to extend it to the second setting like that. And now I can wheel this behind me. So now it's on those back wheels. So first step I'm going to do is readjust the tiller. And then I'm going to use that same lever on the back of the seat, squeeze that and get it extended up. And I want to make sure I push this luggage rack back in. You can keep it out if you wanted to. They actually serve as anti-tip wheels as well. Put the front basket on. And most important part, the battery. So with the battery, you want to make sure this is where you charge the battery, by the way. So when you remove it, you can bring this in your home and charge it. But you want to make sure when you put it back in the scooter that this is facing down. Just like that. This secures it in place. So there's a little knob that comes up. So the battery cannot come out when you do this. And then you have to connect the power supply here. It's the same port that you would charge the battery in. So here's an important lesson. I could not operate the scooter, so what happened was I had it, and this is the parking brake. So you can see the lights are turned on. The horn works, even the front headlight, it turns on too, but it will not accelerate. And it won't accelerate because this is on, so I had to make sure that was off. Now it accelerates, so. I would also say when you start out on the scooter, you want to, it has the 3 speed settings. You want to start on the 1 setting. You don't want to start at 3 because the front wheel, the motor's in the front wheel hub, and it's going to kind of peel out on you. So make sure you don't do that. But once you get up to a certain speed, I mean, it's really fun to drive. So all in all, you're looking for an awesome airline approved mobility scooter that at least has the option to be airline approved. Something that goes fast, has a built-in luggage rack. This is great for someone that's an avid traveler. And when you remove the battery, it only weighs 44 pounds. Enhance Mobility also has a wonderful warranty, and if you purchase this from us, we throw in a free 1-year labor contract. No one else does that. And we just do that because we love the brand. And it's really a quality product. We want to ensure you have extra peace of mind. If you have any questions about the Triaxe Sport or any of Enhance Mobility's products, call us. We're open every day. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444, or just visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.